The Philippines is a home to a number of rich, diverse, and natural ecosystems. Among the notable ecosystems in the Philippines are the dipterocarp ecosystem of Mount Makiling, pine forest ecosystem in Baguio City, wetland ecosystem of Olango Island in Cebu City, and coral reef ecosystem in Oriental Mindoro. Our country owns a rich biodiversity which provides an array of ecosystem services that enable humans to survive. But with factors such as deforestation, pollution, overpopulation, and climate change, the future of our ecosystems may be at risk. So how can we protect our biodiversity, natural resources, and ecosystems? This is the role of Ecosystems Research and Development Bureau, or ERDB. On June 10, 1987, under the Executive Order 192, the former Forest Research Institute was reorganized into the Ecosystems Research and Development Bureau, or ERDB. ERDB is the principal research arm of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources that develops relevant and scientific research and development programs that address the nation's cross-cutting concerns on different major ecosystems such as forest, upland farms, grassland and degraded areas, coastal zone and freshwater, and urban areas. With this, ERDB has come up with 9 research and development programs to achieve the following goals: sustaining forest ecosystems, managing coastal and freshwater ecosystems dynamics, promoting health of urban areas ecosystems, addressing hazards in watersheds for water supply efficiency, sustaining agroforestry and upland farming systems, enhancing resilience of wetlands and coastal areas, conserving and sustaining plantations and natural forest, rehabilitating mined-out and degraded areas through ERDB technologies, reducing pollution in highly urbanized areas. In 2015, from its main headquarters in Los Baños, Laguna, ERDB has widened its reach all over the country to develop more innovative ecosystem technologies in its 6 areas of excellence in the fields of watershed and water resources, toxic and hazardous wastes, urban and biodiversity, coastal resources and ecotourism, agroforestry, forestry, and wetlands. ERDB's research and development efforts are now organized in CAR, NCR, Region 4A, Region 7, Region 11, and Region 13 through its Research, Development, and Extension Centers, or RDECs. RDECs formulate and implement applied and action-oriented ENR studies that enable the advancement of research, development, and extension work in ERDB's specialized areas of excellence. Loyal to its mandate, the Bureau pursues to strike a balance between caring for the ecosystems and nurturing people's lives by developing propagation technology, plantation establishment, and harvesting techniques for bamboo, rattan, and mangrove. Specializing in seed technology and clonal propagation of high-quality dipterocarp seedlings and other indigenous forestries. ERDB has invented the Hi-Q VAM1, an advanced biofertilizer used in DENR's nationwide reforestation programs. Through ERDB's Ridge to Reef research, the Bureau has developed relevant technologies for the rehabilitation of abandoned fish ponds and development of environment-friendly techniques to revive polluted waters, mined out areas, and other degraded ecosystems. Today, the Bureau also actively spearheads the study of DENR's carrying capacity programs and vulnerability assessments of watersheds, protected areas, and ecotourism areas all over the country. But the role of ERDB does not end with developing technologies and programs. To extend its services to its stakeholders, ERDB conducts various technology transfer and extension activities such as provisions of technical assistance, capacity enhancements, and field deployment activities. ERDB maintains state-of-the-art research facilities and demonstration areas aimed to provide the public with a better grasp and appreciation of ERDB's generated technologies. Through its educational materials, ERDB encourages the public's participation with its 5-step strategic communication process: analyzing, strategic design, development and testing, implementation and monitoring, evaluation, and replanning. As a research institution, ERDB strives to reinforce their communication strategies, to promote their goals and raise public awareness. To do this, the Bureau regularly releases information about their scientific breakthroughs and projects through technical journals, semi-technical research and development newsletters, manuals, and bulletins. These publicity and promotional efforts are also instrumental in expanding research-driven studies and technologies to match the client's growing needs. The Bureau continues to promote its public reach, local and international, by maintaining its presence online. At ERDB, researchers from various fields of science continuously work together to develop cutting-edge technologies and revolutionary programs that will help advance the country's understanding of our ecosystems and encourage people to help preserve them. ERDB, bridging ecosystems and science to people.